Hey, these guys from a Saker were nice enough to send me this to try out. Little inclinometer there, angle meter, inclinometer. This one has laser on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. On both sides, and it'll shoot out both sides there. It's got a hold function on it, zero function. It's a nice setup. This one's a USB charged on it. My other one, my older one that I upgraded from analog inclinometer from the 80s. These digitals are pretty nice compared to that thing. It's a lot more accurate. But this one, plug it in, USB charged. My other one, that's probably a generation older than this, still had a battery in it. And you know, that little 9-volt battery, and they start to corrode or whatever, but it works for what I need it for. And it is accurate. I've measured it against my analog and my old digital one. It's neat. Use it for all kinds of various functions that I need to figure out on a motorcycle if I'm modifying something. You know, if I'm fabricating some metal or something. It's a neat little thing, and it is magnetic.